Hello everyone, welcome to our math tricks about exponents. In this short video, we're going to show some tips and tricks that you're going to apply when you deal about exponent in your math problems. But before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jojen P. Kalingasyon. I am a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science 1. I'm currently enrolled in the course Living with the IT Era with offering number G388. And so when we talk about mathematics, most of us or most of the students would gonna say that it's difficult. I don't want to deal about it. Some others gonna say it, but in this video we're going to show some tricks and tips that you're going to apply when you deal about this. Some others would gonna say it would make your work, it would make your solution more and more easier. So let's start with the problem number 1. So what is the unit digit of 9 when it is raised to the power of 2001? So the choices are 0, 1, 8, 9, and none of the above. So when we look at the equation, that is 9 raised to the power of 2001. What a big number raised to a number. So some students would gonna say that it's too hard because 9 raised to a 1,000 number to 2021 number. There were a lot of process would be utilized when you solve about when directly power the 9 into 2021. But when you look at the digit, we would find some patterns that would use when we solve about this problem. So we take a look at it. When 9 is raised to the power of 1, that is equal to 9. When 9 is raised to 2, that is 81. When 9 is raised to 3, that is 729. When 9 is raised to 4, that is 6,561. So we observe by the given that when 9 is raised to an odd number, that is 1 and 3, their unit digits are 9. But when 9 is raised to an even number, we observe that their unit digits are 1. So when we look at our given, that is 9 raised to the power of 2021, and 2021 is an odd number, therefore the unit digit of 9 raised to the power of 2021 is 9. So our final answer would be letter D, which is 9. Okay, next. What is the value of 5x? Given that 3 raised to the power of x plus 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 3 raised to the power of x, and which is equal to 135. The choices are 0, 3, 15, 27, and none of the above. So when we deal about this equation, we definitely follow the rules of exponent. So when their base are all the same, we can factor it and rewrite it into 5 times 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 135. So by that, we can divide both sides by 5, so that becomes 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 27. And we know the fact that 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3. And by that, we can say that their base are the same, which is 3. So we can equate both of the equations, and that is x is equal to 3. But we're not after to the value of 3, but we're going to find the value when the value of x is multiplied by 5. So when value of x is 3, that is multiplied by 5, that is equal to 15. And 15 is letter C, and that would be our final answer. Next, simplify the equation below. When 8 is raised to a power of 1 and 1 is raised to the power of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So how you gonna solve it? When the choices are 0, 8 raised to the power of 1 to raised to the power of 45, then 8 raised to the power of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So guess, what's your answer when you simply look at it? Okay, so we know the fact that if 1 is raised to any number, the result will always be 1. When when 1 is raised to the power of 1 million, that is definitely 1. When you raise 1 into 1 trillion, that's definitely 1. Any number, if 1 is raised to any number, the result would always be 1. And we know also to the fact that a number raised to 1 is always the number. When 100 is raised to 1, that is definitely be 100. When 1 million is raised to 1, that is the answer will be 1 million. Any number raised to 1 is always been a number. So when we look at the given, 8 raised to the power of 1 and 1 is raised to the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Remember that 1 raised to the power of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, that is equal to 1. So our remaining equation is 8 raised to the power of 1. And what is 8 raised to the power of 1? 8 raised to the power of 1 is the number, which is 8. And 8 is our final answer, which is letter B. Okay, that's very simple. Number 4. What is the value of 200 raised to 2 minus 199 raised to the power of 2? When the choices are 0, 1, 399, 39800, or E, impossible to know. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds to guess or to answer by the given problem. Okay, so what's your answer? Okay, let's find out what's the correct answer of this. Okay, when we solve about this, we know the fact that the formula of the difference of a two number. The difference of a two number is a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So when we look back to our given, that is 200 squared minus 199 squared, which is the same as a squared minus b squared. So by that, we can rewrite the function into 200 minus 99, which is a minus b, and 200 plus 99, which is a plus b. Okay, don't be panic. We only rewrite the given equation. So by that, 200 minus 99 is 1, and 200 plus 199 is 399. By that, we can easily solve the equation. So 1 times 399, that is 399. So our final answer is 399. Okay, and now we're going to our last example. If 3x minus 5y is equal to 2, what is 8 raised to the power of x divided by 32 raised to the power of y? By the choices 1, 2, 4, 8, and impossible to know. So we're going to use the given 3x minus 5y is equal to 2 to find 8x divided by 32 raised to the power of y. Okay, 8 raised to the power of x can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to x. So we know the fact that 2 cubed is always be 8. And by that, we can say that 2 raised to the power of 3x is equal to 8x. 8 raised to the power of x rather. And also, 32 raised to the power of y is equal to 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of y, and that will become 2 raised to the power of 5y. Next, by those results, we divide the results, the numerator into the denominator. So 2 raised to the power of 3x divided by 2 raised to the power of 5y is equal to, so by that, we can, in solving that, since both of the function have the same base, we can get the difference of their exponent. Copying the base 2, then raised to the power of 3x minus 5y. And by the given, 3x minus 5y is equal to 2. So we can rewrite the function into, okay, by the given, 3x minus 5y is equal to 2. Therefore, our function would be 2 raised to the power of 2. Then 2 raised to the power of 2 is what? 4. Very good. And the final answer will be letter C, which is 4. Okay? Get it? Okay? And that's some of the tips and tricks that I was going to share with you. And always remember that mathematics relies on the formula. Every problems have solution in it. And I think that would be all. And thank you for listening and have a good day. Thank you, everyone.